Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to stop background running apps on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on about phone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on software information. Now from here, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now from here, just go back. Now from here, just search background process limit. Now from here, just tap on background process limit. Now from here, just tap on background process limit. Now from here, you can select how many apps can run in the background. Now from here, if you select at most 3 processes, 3 apps can only run in the background at the same time. Now from here, the least you can choose is at most 1 process. And if you select no background process and if you close this app, it will go back to the standard limit. So that is why the least you can choose is at most 1 process, and once you choose this option, 1 app can run in the background. Just like that. And this is how you can stop background running apps on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.